Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is functions in Julia programming language. Okay, first I will show you the syntax of function, that is how we can write a simple function in Julia. Okay, let me show you, and it is entirely different from other programming languages. Okay, this is a simple function to add two numbers, and it will return the sum of the two numbers. Okay, now I am going to call this function and passing the two parameters. I am going to execute. Yes, the output is 10. The first argument go to A and the second argument go to B. Then the function will return the sum of 2 plus 8. The result is 10. Okay, and we can call the function any number of times to execute the body of the function. Okay, and this is the f is the name of the function, and here you can see the end keyword. It indicates the body of the function is ended here. Okay, and this is the body of the function. Okay, in Julia we don't need to return a value. By default it will return the value of last line of the function that executed. Okay, let me show you another example. Okay, here I am not using the return statement, and now I am going to call this function. Okay, I'm going to execute. Yeah, the output is 11. The first parameter 5 goes to A and 6 go to B, and the result is 5 plus 6 11. Okay, we don't need to return the value. By default it will return the result of last line, the function of the body of the function that is executed. Okay, let me show you a different example. Start B. Okay, here I am using the return statement and also another symbol statement. Here you can see the difference. Now I am going to call the function. Okay, now I am going to execute. Oh, sorry. The output is 16. That is the result of 11. The sum of 11 and 5 16. And here the function is executed only the return statement, and after the return the result, the last expression A star B will omitted. Okay, and the function will ended here after the return statement. It does not go to A star B. Okay, and also the next thing is, in Julia we can return multiple values. Okay, let me show you an example. function comma b, I am going to return two values. Sorry, I hit the enter key, that is why it goes to another. Okay, the sum of a and b and also the multiplication result of a and b. End. Now I am going to call this function f of 5 comma 5. Alt enter. Here you can see the multiple values. Here we can get the tuple of values, and the first one is 5 plus 5, the sum of 5 and 5, and the second one is 5 multiplied by 5. Okay, and if you want to return the multiple values, then we have to separate them by comma. Okay, this you have to remember. And next I will discuss about the operator or functions in Julia. Okay, and in Julia most operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that will support for special syntax, and they act as a functions in Julia. I will show you. 2 plus 4 plus 6, the result is 12, and this can write in another way: 2 comma 4 comma 6. Okay, yeah, the output is 12. Here the addition operator is act as a function, and this can also done in the multiplication. Let me show you. 6 comma 3, yeah, 6 multiplied by 3 is 18, the result is 80. Okay, and you can also assign the operator to a string using the syntax. I am going to declare a string AA equals plus. Using this syntax, we are assigning the plus operator to the string A. Now you can perform this operation here. Instead of plus, you can type here AA. Okay, now I am going to execute. Yeah, the output is 12. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12. The result is 12. Okay, and next I am going to discuss about map function in Julia. And using the map function, we can pass a function as an argument to another function. You got it? In map function, the first argument is a function and second argument is a list. Okay, let me show you. Map, the first argument should be a function, okay, and the second one is a list. Now I'm going to declare the second one 2 comma 5 comma 8. This is the second argument, is a list. Now I am going to define the first argument. In map function, the first argument is a function. Now I'm going to declare the first argument function of x. Okay, hit enter. X multiplied by 2. Okay, using this map function, the each and every element in the second argument, that is it list 2, 5, 8 is multiplied by 2. Let me show you. Yeah, the result is 2 into 2 4, 2 into 5 10, 2 into 8 16. Okay, and the map function, we can pass a function as an argument to another function. Here the first argument is a function and the second one is a list. Okay, all this about the functions in Julia. I think you got it, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.